Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix account banded or suspended issue. First of all, check your email. ClassX usually sends an message explaining the reason for bans or suspension. Next, appeal through support. Go to settings and then help/contact support, or visit the ClassX website and submit an appeal explaining your case politely. Next, wait for a response. Support may take a few days to review and reinstate your account if eligible. And privacy tip: avoid sharing your account info. Bans can happen if multiple access access the same account. Quick fix: if you need immediate access, create a new account with a different email or login method while waiting for support. Ensure you follow game rules to prevent future bans. And that's it. Subscribe for more